the Arthrex Torpedo. Its tapered tip is designed for ease of access into and around the joint space.
It seems to attack the tissue very well without going deep into the bone.
The utilization of the Torpedo provides an effective and efficient manner of debridement,
meaning that it tends to take the stuff you want it to take and not everything else. The ShaverDrills affect my ability to treat my patient better in many ways.
Provides a sharp, sterile drill for each patient,
so that you don't have to use the chucks and the large drills in these arthroscopic procedures, that we're going to save time.
Since the shaver handpiece is already open, it is no longer necessary to prepare the battery-powered drill systems for these procedures. These products feature a retractable hood that allows the surgeon to alter the amount of burr head exposure.
I can now retract the sheath of the burr, and as you can see, this retractor is protecting me from those superior vessels.
Here's our Arthrex PowerPick,
and you can see that the tip protrudes out about 4 millimeters.
You can go in, flush, pull straight out, and you can see it looks like honeycomb.
Here we are looking at the 4.0 PowerRasp in the shoulder. I think it is aggressive. It's just the right size.
Kind of PowerRasp this bone off in a very controlled setting.
And that reciprocating action really decorticates the bone very nicely.